So moisty. You can see that. Crunchy, crispy, but needs flavor inside. So it's the buffalo sauce. I don't think I got the taste of it. Hey guys, JdizzEats, and we are at Popeyes in Winnipeg. Gonna try on some $6.99 buffalo chicken tenders. So what is the buffalo chicken tenders? It's like chicken strips drizzled with a buffalo sauce, ranch sauce, and can't wait to taste. And let's get into it. Gonna give this a taste. I think I can smell that buffalo sauce in here, buffalo ranch, the aroma. Just like this. Oh, it's piping hot. A lot of breaded in here. So moisty. You can see that. Crunchy, crispy, but needs flavor inside. So it's the buffalo sauce. I don't think I got the taste of it. Don't really taste that much of it. Let me taste this. Juicy. Unfortunately, I don't taste that much of the ranch. It's black, so it needs more sauce of it instead of a drizzle of a buffalo ranch sauce. But the only good part is just the chicken itself. But putting a sauce is unnecessary. But anyway, look at that chicken. Alright, buttermilk ranch. I don't think I got it with it. Forgot that. Ooh. Buttermilk ranch. I think putting it will be better, to be honest. Let's dip this. See if it's better. Because I'm not tasting the buffalo, just the chicken itself. Ooh. A little bit better. So what I think about the buffalo ranch chicken tender, it is pretty okay, pretty good. I like the chicken. It's crispy, crunchy, and moist inside, so it's fresh, and it's actually like a real chicken in there. But the only bad thing is the buffalo sauce. It's unnecessary, doesn't really need it. It's already good without it. But the only good thing is having that buttermilk ranch, and that's it. You don't need to put like that buffalo on the chicken. Just the ranch sauce, so doesn't really need it. But wish they could make a buffalo ranch sauce instead of putting on a drizzled chicken in there on the tender. But guys, if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos and content. Our goal is to hit 100 subscribers, guys. Can we do it? And guys, see you guys next video. Bye.